With iOS 18.2, Apple enables users to select their preferred default apps for several features, marking a major shift from its conventional closed ecosystem. Initially promised for the European Union, the feature is available all across the globe. GadInsider has compiled a step-by-step guide to set your default iPhone apps. Users can set third-party apps such as Chrome, Gmail, Outlook, and Firefox as their default alternatives instead of the company's built-in apps. Click a link or email address will be opened in your preferred app, reducing additional steps. Default app settings are accessible for email, messaging, calling, call filtering, browsers, passwords, codes, and keyboards. EU users will receive an app installation option to select third-party app marketplaces. Contactless apps allows users to select a non-wallet app for NFC transactions in select countries such as the EU, UK, US, Canada, Japan, Australia, and more. Here's how to set default apps on your device. Firstly, launch Settings on your smartphone and scroll down. Click Apps and choose Default Apps at the top. Select a category to change its default app. Afterwards, follow the on-screen instructions if required. A few features enable only one default app, while others allow users to prioritize several apps. If an app isn't appearing as an option, contact the developer for support.